In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add Apple account card to wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. One option that you have to add to your wallet that might not be noticeable right away is the option to add an Apple account card. So the balance that you have on an Apple account will be listed under your Apple wallet. So it might be easier to manage and you can add balance directly through the wallet. So what you have to do is tap on the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen when you open your wallet, and you should see the option Add Apple Account. If you don't see this option, you can try restarting your device, updating iOS, or going over to the settings under Wallet and Apple Pay and see if there is any option to enable the addition of Apple accounts inside of the wallet. This should be available as long as you are up to date. So when you choose Add an Apple Account, it's going to give you the prompt of exactly what you expect. You will be able to sign into your Apple account and link your balance to Apple Wallet. So you will see the description here. Use your Apple account balance to purchase products, apps, games, music, and more. So all that you have to do here is tap continue. Usually, if you are already signed into an Apple account, it's going to automatically detect that account and synchronize the balance to your Apple wallet. So you will be able to confirm the balance. For example, if you have $25, it is going to be displayed like this. You might see the account details at the bottom, and then all that you have to do is tap next and proceed. You will get this message, ready to use. Pay with your iPhone in the Apple Store, shop online, or buy apps, subscriptions, and other services. The balance will be displayed and you can manage it at any time. You can repeat this process as many times as you wish if it goes away, but usually upon adding your Apple account, it is going to be linked under the Apple Wallet and you don't have to manually add it every time. I hope I was able to help you on how to add Apple account card to wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.